art of being present, the third of 4 lessons. Prepping. Of course, being present is easier said than done, especially when one allows the woes of the world and whatnot to draw that realization away from mind and body. And although we are one, we are nevertheless different, and for a damn good reason, because we are ever in individual stages of growth, and hence various states of consciousness. That is, what might be primary for one may be secondary or tertiary to another, so forth or vice versa. The key is to exemplify what one professes, leading by righteous example without judgment or prejudice. Alas, this too is hard, for far too many are disingenuous, especially to self, detached either as silent complainers, couch referees, or indifferent bystanders, if not scared shitless. If one's actions are not in accord with thine thoughts, then one is out of touch and out of line. Try to abide in the present moment at all times, particularly when tears trickle, when trials test, when push comes to shove. Remember and notice the degree to which one understands presence is reflected in one's spiritual, physical, and mental exhibition. One's activities are expressions of one's attitudes built over time in regards to one's consciousness. Life is a reflection of what one adores and or exalts and or reveres and or venerates, etc. And likewise to the contrary. Actions are but a measurement of that from within. One's surroundings, companions, actions, yea, that which is sought, expresses one's concept of how near or far one is from being present. The question of controlling one's physical activities are a reflection of one's mortal encounters, whereas one's thoughts, which can be problematic and harmful, are personal and solely within an individual's control. Thoughts vibrate and reverberate. Words carry meaning. Done are deeds as they are done, and each one wields consequences and impressions revealing the strength or weakness of one's presence. How considerate, harmonious, observant art thou? How spiritual is one? How often does one check in or check out? Is one's attitude and philosophy centered? Does one practice what is preached and thought? One's attitude influences and definitely sends out signals to others. So, what are you going to do about it? Serenity now.